I am giving away my full interior, complete K24 Swapped EP3 Civic Si. This thing does have the K24 A2 with the 6-speed transmission. Full interior. You guys have all seen that ad already. What's really important is we got 3 new shirt designs. There's something in here for everybody. Whether you're into the K series, because K is the way, or the best series, B series all day, or if you're on board with LS Swap everything, LS Swap the world, baby. All available right now. Don't sleep on this. We're going to be drawing a name for that EP3 in no time. Link in the description below. We're going to start today off bringing the pressure washer out because we're going to need this at the end. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. So I want to give you guys a little pre-warning really quick. This is going to be step 1 in K swapping Khaki, but as you guys know, I don't have a K series yet. I don't have an engine. I don't have a transmission yet. I don't have mounts. I don't have anything. But one thing that I do know is I need to get all of this stuff out of the way, and that's what it is we're going to be focusing on today, is basically getting all the B series stuff out of our way. What do you guys think, man? Should we try to get one more start out of the old B series? I know it's gonna run like crap, because yeah, that's what this thing likes to do. But may as well try to get one more start out of it. Ugh. Damn these seats, bro! They do nothing but get tighter over the years, you know. Oh, I think my camera lens is dirty. All right, remember how to do this. Fuel. Oh my God. All the way to the end with this thing. Now the starter. Won't even give us a last start. I'm not messing with it. Let's just get this thing taken apart, huh? Good Lord, I need to get a jack out here. Oh, there's already a jack out here. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome.
Really quick, man.
30-something, you ain't.
Pause, thank you. I need to let you guys know really quick. So, a lot of this process right now of tearing this thing apart is probably going to be just playing some background music or whatever, because to be straight up with you, it is miserable out here at the moment. It is hot, it is humid. It rained a bunch yesterday, and now today it's just right back to being hot, and then the humidity, and it's disgusting. And I more than anything don't want to be out here. So to make it bearable, we got some music playing in the background, and we brought all the damn fans out of the house to move some air around inside of here, which makes it a little bit more bearable to be working out here, but it doesn't make it recordable, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta silence the clips and put some background music in it for you. So anyhow, first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and drain the transmission fluid out of this thing, because you know I'm gonna pull the axles, and I'm gonna try to avoid making a ginormous mess inside of my garage. But yeah, transmission fluid, I got to get all the coolant out of the radiator, and we need to drain the fuel, the E85 out of the tank, out of the cell. Yeah, and then we can start pulling bolts out of stuff.
Niggas can't hack it. I used to follow them hip-hop tours and hand my demos out at backstage doors.
Okay, fucker. Well, there it is, man. I know I haven't really done any talking in this video. Just basically focused on just getting this done. This was my goal for today. So there's step one to swapping khaki, bro. Getting all the B series stuff out of the way. Well, everything's not out of the way yet. As you guys know, I'm not going to use that mount. It's the only one I got to take off. And we have to chop this entire thing off right here. But I'm not going to do that until I actually get the K-Series EF mounts. I really just want to run Hasport mounts, dude. I don't want to run anything else inside of here. I know Innovative makes them. I know that there's those Bull Boost mounts and the eBay ones and all that stuff. I would much rather just have Hasport mounts because I think that's the best bang for the buck. I mean, I know all the other ones you can get for a lot cheaper, but you know, you get what you pay for, man. I've always trusted Hasport mounts with all of my cars. Like even before I even started doing YouTube, I've always just had Hasport mounts, dude. And they're local to me, of course. But anyhow, this is my way of letting you guys know that I'm serious here. So this is going to be a little bit of a slow moving process. So of course, be patient with me. Like I said, we don't have an engine or transmission yet. I do want to establish getting the mounts like ASAP because I would like to cut that transmission mount off, the factory one, and get that all ready. Of course, I'm going to want to go over the engine bay on Khaki, clean it up. The engine bay has been in need of some attention for a really long time. My paint up here is cracking. So all of this, where that seam was at underneath there, is cracking. I got some cracks up here. Over here on this side, big old freaking cracks, man. So yeah, dude. Honestly, I regret ever shaving this bay. I wish I would have just went through, got rid of all the seam sealer, and did the stitch welding. I think that would have been a much cooler look. But of course, back whenever I did this, that was the thing, bro, was shave bays and wire tucks and all that. So I was just trying to go with the trendy thing to do. Anyhow, guys, that's pretty much it for today, man. I just wanted to get the engine pulled out. I wanted to show you guys that I am dead serious about getting Khaki up and going. So, of course, to really make any big moves, I am going to be waiting until after we're done with the giveaway. To be straight up with you, I don't get anything from the giveaway until it is done. You know what I mean? So, at the end, I'll be able to tally everything up and see what our profit was and see how much money it is that we have to actually put into, buying an engine and all that. I don't think it's going to be quite enough to get everything done, but at the same time, I do have the Honda S300 that I can sell, and whatever it is that we don't use out of Khaki for Jessica's car, I could sell that stuff. Like, I don't know if I'm going to put that Edelbrock manifold on her car. I don't know. Though realistically, I should, because what other manifold do I have? Yeah, now that I think about it, her manifold won't work. Either way, bro, I'm sure I could recoup some money from some of that stuff. Because realistically, I'm thinking I want to run Khaki on a fuel tech and just ditch all the Honda stuff. But anyhow, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go because I'll just babble. I'm sure this video is probably really freaking short because, like I said, I just wanted to get through getting the engine out of Khaki, and I was going to pressure wash. I said that in the beginning of the video. But look, dude, it's literally clean. There's no buildup. There's no nothing. Because hell, I haven't even driven this car since we put the engine in last. The engine is still clean. You know, it's just a little dusty. That's about it. Anyhow, guys, we are a little over 2 weeks. We're about halfway through the giveaway. And I did see some comments about the new t-shirts, the K Series, B Series, and LS Swap t-shirts, whether they are eligible for entries. I just forgot to put it in the description on the website. I went and updated that. Absolutely anything and everything on deadbeatgarage.com. The link in the description down below. Anything on there that you purchase, every $5 that you spend is an entry towards the EP3 giveaway. I was about to point towards Khaki. There it is, towards the EP3. Yeah, so most certainly all the new t-shirt designs, everything on the website, whether it's stickers or even the Out of the Garage channel. I have merchandise on there for that, but you got to scroll down and actually click on Out of the Garage collection. Like all that stuff inside of there also. So anything on the website that you purchase is going to get you entries. But anyhow, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you guys are excited for future Khaki content. I am actually excited to get this thing back on the road. If I get this thing up and driving, running and driving, I'm most certainly going to get back out and take this thing out to meets and all that stuff and get into some hood rat ass Honda shit like we used to do back in the day. Later.